Hi, welcome to the Health Talk series, and today we are going to discuss about fats. Now, fat is basically a battery storage or energy storage in our body, and body is going to use it when you do not provide energy from outside. So it's as good as you are having money in your FD, and in case of emergency, you withdraw that FD or you break that FD and utilize that money. Okay. Now, when you provide excess energy from outside and you do not use it, body is going to convert that excess energy into a fat. Okay. So, for example, if you are eating more and spending less, so you are not active throughout the day, you are not doing your exercise, so body is going to store all that excess energy in the form of fats. There is no other way body can utilize that energy, and the some amount of energy is utilized in activities, and the rest remaining energy or surplus energy is stored as fats. Now we do need some amount of or some percentage of fats in our body to protect your organs, to protect your kidneys and livers, to cushion them, to insulate them, and also as a battery backup or energy storage. But if the fat exceeds the uh, permissible amount or the safe amount, it basically impacts our health in very bad manner. Okay, so there are around two types of fat. So now if you search on Google fat of the MRI scan, or let's say you can search MRI scan for obese person, you are going to get this image. And if you see over here, there are majorly two types of fat. So total body fat is basically a fat in your entire body, and this fat in your visceral area, so below your lungs and heart, there are a lot of vital organs located over here. So this fat is basically a visceral fat, and the fat below your skin is called as a subcutaneous fat. So these are two types of fats basically. Now visceral fat is not visible from outside, and whatever is visible from outside, let's say we see tire or the tummy, that is majorly a subcutaneous fat. So what you need to notice, though you may have more amount of visceral fat, your weight can be at your ideal weight, and you will not realize that you are having more amount of visceral fat. And the problem with visceral fat is right from snoring to cancer, all the diseases are majorly dependent on the visceral fat. So it can be the digestive system issue, it can be your heart attacks or cardiac arrest. Then there are different kinds of digestion issues like acidity and migraine and severe acidic condition of the body. Everything is related to visceral fats. Okay, even type 2 diabetes is related to visceral fats. And subcutaneous fat basically major impacts your activities. So you may have frequent back pain, frequent let's say body pain, or you are not active, you are not flexible. It is majorly because of the excess amount of subcutaneous fat. Even you age faster because of excess amount of visceral fat and subcutaneous fat. Okay, so it is very important to keep them in limit. So for men, the allowable or safe fat percentage is 15 to 20, and for female it should be 20 to 25. So if you maintain your fat levels in this range, you are majorly going to stay away from lots of health issues, and you are going to prevent a lot of health issues. So it is very important to keep your fat percentage in the safe zone. Okay, so that was the short introduction to the fats. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about muscles and why do we need good muscles in our body. Okay, so till that time, stay fit, stay healthy, stay at home. Goodbye guys.